Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise. There's one that's sharp and funny, another is always in a hurry. Another has all the facts, one is always munching snacks. Different yet together, they are all friends for life. Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise.
It's the last day of our school. Let's see who tops this time.
I will.
You would if it were an eating competition. I'm talking about our exams.
Then it's got to be either Adhikar or Jagriti.
Jagriti tops only because I give more time to sports.
But this time there were no sporting events.
Precisely. This year there is going to be a new topper.
Let's bet on it.
Why not?
Why? I want both of us to top the class.
2 toppers? You mean 2 celebration parties?
Laddu is already dreaming of the feast.
Results day is here today. Let's see how they fared. Happiness or sorrow, together they are all prepared. Unsure they march on to touch new skies. Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise.
Hello, sir.
Namaste, namaste, and to all of you, congratulations and celebration.
But only Jagriti has topped.
Yes, but Adhikar is a topper in sports, you in science, and Laddu?
I still have to reappear in a subject.
The job is almost done. Study hard, but don't miss out on the fun.
Sir, you are the first one to have congratulated me. Here's another sweet for you.
I'll take the sweets, but tell me, what are your future plans?
I want to be a teacher.
I'll start preparing for the IAS exams.
I'm still confused. Maybe I'll join the police force and do something for the society.
Whatever you do it well. But if you want to do something for the society, you don't have to wait.
We can't be in police or become an army officer right now.
You are going to be the most powerful officers soon.
All of us, even Laddu. Surely he doesn't even have an officer-like name.
Name, color, age, religion. Nothing matters in elections.
You are talking about voting.
Exactly.
I have just turned 18, but these are still kids.
They are about to be 18 too. That's why I want you all to be ready.
Right now, I just want to be ready for my exam.
By devouring these sweets.
Sugar makes the brain work faster.
I don't know about that, but this preparation is very easy.
Right, one just needs to be 18.
True, you are entitled to the right to vote at 18, but that's just half the story.
Are you talking about the voter card?
Exactly. But if you want to know everything in detail, Suresh sir is the man.
Our sports teacher.
Yes, he is also the BLO.
BLO?
Booth level officer.
What's the matter, Laddu?
We know Laddu's belly has the capacity of a storehouse. Still, it has its limits.
Now we'll take your leave. Got to share the good news with others as well.
Fun-filled little moments may not be here to stay, but till they are together, love will light the way. Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise.
Adhikar, do you have any coins?
You've just had 5 kilos of laddus. You still want more?
It's not for food. It's decision time.
Bollywood style. You mean by flipping a coin?
Exactly. I have to decide whether it's the time to study or not. So if I get tails, it's fun time. And if I get heads, it's
Study time?
No, in case of heads, it's snack time.
And what about your study time?
I'll study if the coin falls and balances itself.
Wow, Laddu. You continue to amaze us.
Forget it, Adhikar.
I'm not giving up. I never do.
As you wish. Keep trying then.
Look at Zahir, Adhikar. Maybe you'll get some inspiration.
My hand is a bit slippery. Otherwise,
Really? Boy, you are amazing.
Would you like a mango?
Zahir, I didn't know you were an expert at climbing trees.
Never got a chance to show you. What's wrong with Jagruti?
In just a few days, we'll all be going our separate paths.
Maybe we'll still be together.
You are still lagging behind. Clear your exam first, Laddu.
That I'll do. Right now, it's mango time.
Suresh sir, hello.
Yes, it's a special time. Not just because of the mangoes.
What else?
These, one for each one of you from the VFC.
What is VFC?
Voter Facilitation Center. And this is Form 6.
College admission forms?
No, these forms are for your entry to our democracy.
What are we supposed to do with these? Isn't voting a right once we turn 18?
But surely one must be ready.
Just like Jagriti is ready way before her exams.
And Adhikar is well prepared for sports.
And Laddu's stomach is always ready for eating.
All of you are always ready to make fun of me.
But how does one prepare for elections?
By filling Form 6.
Don't we need a voter card too?
Yes, you do.
Then it's easy. What's the big deal?
It's easy to get a voter card. But having a voter card is not enough to cast your vote.
Then please guide us.
If you want to vote, your name must be enlisted in the voters list.
And how can we enroll in that list?
Get Form 6, fill it and attach a proof of age and a proof of residence. Then submit it to your BLO or at the nearest VFC.
What's an address proof?
Any document which has your address mentioned in it.
Like a nameplate in front of our house or a photograph of a letter addressed to us?
No, Laddu. Only a government issued address proof is valid. Like a bank's passbook, electricity or water bill.
And proof of age?
That part I know. We usually need it for our tournaments. You can either submit a mark sheet or a certificate issued by your village sarpanch.
Correct. So let's revise what all we've learnt. Tell us, Laddu. Which form?
6. Mango time now?
And one proof of address and one proof of...
Age. Now mangoes?
Terrific. You have all the answers.
Hope he has all the answers while taking the exam too.
I'm sure he'll work hard. Right, Laddu?
Now mango?
Colors everywhere, non-stop fun too. Flavors of friendship all the way through. Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise.
I am glad Madam agreed to accompany us to the Mela.
But where is Laddu?
What, Laddu? Did you empty the whole shop?
We are going to be out for the whole day. You think I can stay hungry for that long?
Till Madam comes, who's up for a long jump contest?
It's not long jump, but high jumps that I've mastered. I can jump higher than this wall.
Why don't you show us?
Hey, you go.
I thought you said you would jump higher than this wall.
That's what I did. Can this wall jump this high?
Everyone ready for the Mela?
I don't know about others, but Laddu sure is.
Spend a few more days with us and you'll get used to all this. These kings and queens, common man has always been their puppet.
Not anymore. India is a democracy and now the common man is king.
Which makes voting even more important.
Right.
And to choose right, one must be well informed.
Let's choose what we are going to eat now.
Everyone is enjoying one ride or another. Why are you standing here?
I don't want to. Swings make me giddy.
Then why did you come here? You'll have to choose at least one ride.
You can't compel anyone.
Look, Mom, they are forcing Zahir to go on the swing.
Why, Laddu? Don't you know that we have the right to reject too? Not just here, but in elections too. You can use nota or none of the above option and still use your vote effectively.
Seems like you are all geared up for the elections.
Yes, we are. Hello.
Namaste, Sarpanji.
Namaste, namaste. Good to see that. Have you all filled Form 6?
Yes, we have. But tell us, what if someone gets transferred to a new city?
If the transfer is in the same constituency, then you need Form 8A. But if it is in a different constituency, you need to fill Form 6.
Who is up for a kulfi?
No, not me.
What's wrong, Laddu? A house full in your belly?
I have a sore throat.
Come on, don't be shy. Which flavor? Mango, vanilla, chocolate? You'll have to pick one.
Nota.
Now, Laddu is ready for the elections too.
Yes, I'm all set.
Oh God, when will the bus come?
The next service is at 6.
How do you know?
While coming in the morning, I had taken a photo of the bus timetable with my mobile. Technology has made everything so convenient.
Yes, it has.
But has technology simplified elections too?
Surely, checking your name in the voter list, voter registration, information regarding polling booths and all candidates, everything is available on the internet. And most of it is available through SMS too.
And even results are declared in just a few days.
Yes, that is because of the EVMs.
EVM? What is that?
Electronic voting machines. They have fast-tracked the entire process. Just press a button and you are done.
The bus is still not here. Wish there was a button to call it.
There's no button for that. But here, take these biscuits. They'll help you kill time.
How can you eat all day long?
Because I'm always hungry. And Zahir, have them before I finish them off too.
Just remember all that I've told you today and spread the message wherever you go.
Let's start a revolution.
And help everyone exercise their right.
And spread so much happiness that every day is celebrated with love and laddus.
And who doesn't love laddus?
Young hopes are striding on, ready for a joyride. Getting ready for the future, they are all smart and wise.